Hello, it is Viola, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get onto Infinite Campus. So, first, you're going to go to the Eastline Middle School webpage. If you log in on a school device and open Google, it should bring you right here. But if you aren't on a school device, then you can just simply search up Eastline Middle School in Google or any browser. Then you're going to go to Middle School Eastline Public Schools. And yeah, it'll bring you right here. Anyway, you're going to go to the right and you'll see this word quick links with like a little chain, and it's a drop down menu. And the second option will be student dashboard. So that's what you're going to want to press. Once you're on student dashboard, scroll down to the right of your screen. You'll see this little Infinite Campus icon, and that's what you're going to want to press on. Then you'll see eSlime login to Campus Student, Campus Parent. You would usually click Campus Student. And then this part's important. Instead of signing in with the student username and password, you are going to press single sign on. And usually it'll bring up a little Eastline Public School sign-in page. You'll just sign in with that, and then it'll bring you right to your Infinite Campus. I hope this helped. Bye.